Hyphen, Samson, Watson. I'm going to try to make this quick because there's a lot of distractions around. Your backyard and front lawn and the park isn't the best place. But there's so many distractions around. The minds or the self-reliance attitude, its role is to interfere. It always wants to interfere. It lives off interfering. You can't even look at the sunset without interfering. As soon as you disconnect from the beauty and you start labeling beauty, then you miss it. So as soon as you get to an age or a certain stage where you look at the sky and you see the clouds and you can't look at them in awe anymore, then something's wrong. At that point, there has to be a change. And the change is to go within yourself, to find the sky within yourself that will leave you in awe. Your own mind can't leave yourself in awe. People praise their own minds so much, but I find it funny because their own minds can't leave themselves in awe. They go to other people, they go to preachers, self-help gurus, and these so-called gurus to leave them in awe. And often enough times, it's when they spend their own money. And anyone who spends their own money always depletes what they spend it on. You can rent a book from the library, or you can buy a book from Chapters. Odds are you're gonna buy the book from Chapters that you like, that's new. You're gonna read the whole thing. Whereas with the library, you can just return it. You could potentially buy 15 books, which is worth $300 altogether, and only read one of them. It just depends on your own consciousness, how clear your mind is to differentiate society's rules and the class systems that they've set upon you. You could rent every potential book in the library and feel like a thousandaire. You can walk inside a bookstore and feel like you've read every book. Get to the right no mind state. The trees should be the music, and the birds singing should be a song. But even the animals are so disconnected with their own selves, because our mind's consciousnesses as humans, after watching all this garbage and all this crap on the television, literally affects the consciousness of the animals. They have no clue what they're saying, but they say that stuff what's right for you, so that you can enjoy yourself. The squirrel right there. I liked what someone said the other day. What these people want is for you to shut the fuck up, look at the television, shut your fucking mouth. They don't give a shit about you. They just want you to shut the fuck up and look at the fucking television. Just shut the fuck up, you stupid bitch. Shut the fuck up. Just look at this television and shut up. That's what people want from you. With the television, that's what they want from you. And that's what we do. When these social medias and these video websites came out, there started to be a void. A falsified void. But it was a void for a short period, as this sort of craze that came out. But it fooled us. Now every video on YouTube that you click, it has a commercial. And all these people who liked YouTube because it didn't have any commercials sold out. They're all trying to monetize everything. And all these corporations are letting people monetize over their own business and their own copyrights. It's not right. If I owned YouTube, I would not let that happen.